Yeah guys, we're going down. Mag-island hopping tayo. Mga kakulit. Bago to, mga kakulit. Gawin natin kakulit. Cool na, makulit pa. Kakulit. So ngayon, if yung nakikita nyo sa ating camera medyo blurry ng kaunti kasi naka cellphone casing tayo na waterproof, so we could take videos, pictures on water. Yeah, oh nakakasilaw na. So let's go guys, let's have fun under the sun or a cloud. Hindi balance kasi. So here are the boats that we're going to ride. Yun, ito yung dalawang barko or boat na aming sasakyan guys. So let's have fun, let's go mga kakulit. Tayo sa first stop of our island hopping at ito yon mga kakulit. Ito yung cave, papasukin natin mga kakulit yung cave. Let's go. Kulit. We're done with our cave. We're on our next island, so come and keep on joining us on this family time that we have, a year and family time for 2022. Let's go guys. Hi mga kakul. Right now papunta kami sa second island na i-hop namin, and it is the Campo Manes. Yung daan niya hindi dito sa Sipalay but sa Hinubaan dadaan kasi walang daanan dito, but it's still a part of Sipalay daw. At saka up next is yung fish sanctuary. So bantayan nyo dito sa ating vlog mga kakulit here on Yancy Cool Vlog. kulit, nandito na kami sa second stop at nakakatawa yung barko kasi ito. Yung pangalan ng barko is pangalan ng anak ko. PJ Secret. Oh my. Yan. Yan, yung barko na yan is kargado na po. Naghihintay ng biyahe nila. Go signal kasi hindi pa masyado malalim, I think. So yes, PJ Secret. So let's go continue exploring this second location na pinuntahan natin. We're done with the second island, so up next is the third island, and that is the fish sanctuary. Pero may lang yung oras namin because magbantay talaga kayo. If it's 2 hours yung use nyo ng kabot, dapat 2 hours lang talaga. Nakalimutan namin, hindi kami nakabantay, so we will be paying one more or an extension para sa pump boat because nag-extend kami ng sa 2 oras, so they will be giving us 30 minutes. Papunta kami ngayon sa fish sanctuary, so mga kulit, let's go. Mga kulit, kita nyo ang daming isda on this sanctuary. So this sanctuary is protected, so we must always protect this. So ang saya, we have, play with the fish by keeping also the sanctuary safe. Wala kaming sinira, walang tinouch na anything sa baba. Just feeding the fish and joining them, swim with them.